1 million new Epstein-related pages discovered by the DOJ. Trump calls it a hoax and witch hunt on Truth Social, squarely within his political free speech. But this is a legal hypothetical, not an accusation. If those files revealed evidence of a 1990s crime involving a future president, how protected is that president once in office? As of 2025, we audit the shields using the AIL method: authority, immunity, liability. Scenario: credible evidence from the 1990s surfaces, alleging a serious federal crime similar to those in the Epstein universe. Think child exploitation or trafficking. The suspect is now President of the United States. We are scoring legal protection, not morality. How shielded is a sitting president under current law and DOJ policy as of 2025? First authority. Score: 95. Near absolute inside the federal criminal system. The Department of Justice follows Office of Legal Counsel memos from 1973 and 2000. A sitting president should not be indicted or criminally prosecuted while in office to avoid crippling the executive branch. As head of the executive branch, the president ultimately controls DOJ leadership. He could replace officials pushing charges. While politically explosive and impeachable, it is a lawful power. That political risk is why authority doesn't hit 100. Next, immunity. Score: 55 with big caveats. The 2024 Supreme Court decision in Trump versus United States gives absolute immunity for core constitutional acts, but zero immunity for unofficial or purely private conduct. Alleged 1990s conduct as a private citizen falls in that unofficial category. No substantive criminal immunity. But practically, as long as DOJ follows its own policy, a sitting president is not brought to trial. Any federal case would likely wait until after he leaves office, potentially post-2029. Finally, liability. Score: 85. Strong, but not bulletproof. Standard federal crimes have a 5-year limit. Most 90s offenses are long expired. While modern laws eliminate limits for child exploitation, the Constitution forbids using new rules to punish old acts. Unless prosecutors prove a conspiracy continued past the year 2000, standalone 90s crimes are likely time-barred by the ex post facto clause. Total presidential protection score: 78%. Verdict: highly protected. Between DOJ policy, immunity for official acts, and expired statutes of limitations, these files are political ammunition, not a criminal smoking gun. Legal exposure only returns after he leaves office, and even then, only for specific private acts that fit within narrow, remaining statutory lanes.